What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where we talk about everything from music to makeup. So today is going to be my December Ipsy unboxing for 2017. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription company, $10 a month. The thing I love about Ipsy is they give you a glam bag every month, and I love this month. Oh my god, I just can't even deal. It is just so perfect for like the holidays, and especially New Year's coming up. I wish it didn't have the teal. I like just the silver and silver glitter, but it's still adorable. I love it. It matches my outfit right now, so we're gonna rock it. Let's see what's inside the Ipsy bag. So the first thing I see is this Seraphine Botanicals Orange and Cream Lip Polish. Okay, so yeah, it's a lip scrub. Oh, it does smell like orange and cream. It does look pretty good. So I'm excited to try that actually. I really like the way it smells and I like the consistency. It seems like it'll be like gritty enough to get off the dead skin on my lips. Random introduction, but my mom got me these place settings. Like, aren't they really pretty? But here's the thing. So I turned my dining room table into the table I use for YouTube. So she put them over here, but I don't use this table to eat. Like, I use it to film videos now. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the place setting. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Okay, it is this City Color Cosmetics Shimmer Shadow in All Eyes on Me. I like the name. I like it had a Z instead of an S though. Like the Tupac All Eyes on Me. So it looks like kind of a purplish mauve top. Let's see what it looks like. There it is on the finger. Ooh, that's really pretty. Ooh, I was not expecting that. That is a lot better than I was expecting. Really beautiful. I like that. And that's like a big size. That is a good size of eyeshadow. Like, look at it compared to the lip scrub. Alright. The next item is this Steve Laurent Cafe. It just says lip gloss. So here's what it looks like. Ooh. Hello. Hello, darling. It's like a pinky. Ooh. I really like that. That's really pretty. I'm really impressed with this Ipsy. Okay, so the next is this NYX Professionals in Faux Blacks, and it says Burnt Sienna. I lost my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Like, I was almost in tears last night. Don't know where it is. Is it down here? Okay, so here's what it looks like. Ooh. That's kind of what it looks like. Oh my god, that's exactly what I've been needing. Like a dark chocolate brown eyeliner. Ooh, it's really creamy. I was not expecting that from NYX. Alright. Damn, I'm really impressed. Okay, and the last item is this. It's a brush. It is a Luxie 239 Precision Shader. So you could use this to put this, you probably just use this to put colors on the lid. That is awesome. I really like the gunmetal color. I will definitely use this. I love when I get brushes in my bags. So that is my December Ipsy. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.